Hello everyone, welcome back to Discovery to Learn. This is a story of a man who faced many difficulties while reaching his goal but never stepped back. The story begins in the year 1938 and the hero of this story, Kairoli Takacs. Before starting the video, click on the subscribe and hit the bell icon. Of the Hungarian army and was the best pistol shooter of that region. He had a dream that to make his hand the best shooting hand in his country, and he achieved it. His hand was the best shooting hand in Hungary. After this, he wanted to win a gold medal in the Olympics and make his country proud. He was prepared to bring a gold medal to his country at the 1940th Olympics. But in the year 1938, in army training, Kairoli met with an accident. An accident made him to lose his right hand, the hand he was training to win a gold medal at the Olympics. All his dreams were shattered in seconds. Now, Kairoli had two options: one, to cry over for what he lost and disappear from the crowd; second, not to focus on what he already lost but to focus on what he had. And Kairoli chose the second one. After the medication, Kairoli started to train his left hand. After one long year of practice, he went to take a part in national championship of pistol shooter held in Hungary. All the participants thought Kairoli came to encourage them, but Kairoli said he came there to participate. The competition started. All the shooters were participating with their best hands, but this man was participating with his only hand. He won the national championship but didn't stop there. He wanted to make his hand the best hand in the world. His goal has to win the gold medal in the 1940th Olympics. But unfortunately, the 1940th Olympics got cancelled due to the Second World War. But Kairoli didn't lose his hope. He focused on the next Olympics, which was to be held in the year 1944. But the 1944 Olympics also get cancelled due to the war. But this man didn't stop. He focused on the 1948 Olympic. He went to participate 1948 Olympics at the age of 38. All the young shooters were competing with their best hands. This guy again was participating with the only hand. Who do you think won the gold medal? Of course, the man with the only hand. But this man not stopped here. Once again, he prepared for the 1952 Olympics at the age of 42. He again won the gold medal with his single hand and created history. Nobody had won two continuous gold medals in pistol shooting, but this man with a single-handedly achieved it. He's a true hero, not made any excuses while reaching his goal. So, why we would make excuses? If you want to achieve in your life, never make an excuse. You have to focus and prepare for the difficulty you are going to face. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon.